This 2014 Jayco J Feather Ultralight X23B J Feather is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina, 28027 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charlotte. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features U-Shaped Dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.